Hey everyone, welcome back to my page. I hope you're having a beautiful day. In today's video, I'm gonna be making some steamed fish. My husband is coming home from work early and I decided to surprise him with a lovely Jamaican steamed fish. So I'm just trimming up the fins and the tails, and then I'm gonna slice both sides of the fish twice, just so that the juice and all the good flavors can get to penetrate the fish. Alright, so now I'm gonna pat dry after rinsing with some lemon juice, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoning. I have here some adobo black pepper and some salt, and we're gonna add that in the side and in the center of the fish. So my friends, if you're watching this video and you are a YouTuber, whether you're monetized or not, you can have your own merch. Just get your logo ready and go to www.skillsdrop.com and they will set up your merch store for you. You can have your cup, your sweatshirt, t-shirt, whatever, and just let them know that the Rowe family sent you. I will leave more information in the description box and in the comments. So now I have my veggies. I have my pumpkin, carrots, potatoes, my okra, and you can slice them in any shape or style that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Scotch bonnet pepper as well. I have my onion. I'm gonna add some bell pepper. This will add some color to your pot, or if you want to use tomato, that's up to you, but I prefer to use bell peppers. I'm gonna put my vegetables to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes, and if you notice, I didn't add the okra as yet because I don't want it to melt and get mushy in the pot. All right, so now I'm adding in the potatoes. I'm gonna go in with some more seasoning. I have some adobo, and if you want to use some fish tea seasoning as well, you can use that, but I have the cock soup. I'm gonna use just the powdered part from that, just a little bit, because I want to be able to taste the fish. You don't want to add too much powdered seasoning. I'm adding a little garlic powder and black pepper here, and you don't want the fish to boil, you want it to steam, so I'm adding just about 1/3 of a cup of water just to help the fish to steam. All right, so now I'm gonna add my other veggies. I'm adding some pimento seed. I'm gonna add my okra, scallion, thyme, and just a little piece of garlic. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and just add our fish right on top. And after adding the fish, I'm gonna add pieces of butter on the top of the fish just to melt while it's steaming. I'm also gonna add some of the okra on top. I'm just gonna shift them to the top of the fish and on the sides, just so that they don't get smashed. All right, if you don't mind, then that's fine. All right, so basically that's it. I'm gonna cover the pot down for about 15 to 20 minutes. It all depending on the size fish that you have and the type of fish that you are steaming. I also added a whole pepper in there apart from the pepper that I sliced up. But this one, all I did was just pierce it with a fork to release the flavors. All right, so the fish is fully cooked. As you can see, one of them, the side is already falling apart. I'm just gonna go ahead and plate it up, and all the veggies are fully cooked as well. I also have another video, it's about a year old, where I steam the fish, but I add coconut milk in that one. So if you want to add a little coconut milk, that's fine, just don't add too much. All right, so here we go. Dinner is ready. The flavors were on point. If you're watching this video and you're not from the Caribbean and you've never tried steamed fish, this is a perfect video for you. Go ahead, try it out. And I had some fried sweet potatoes and fried plantains on the side. Just want to say thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop by my channel and watching this video. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you have a fantastic week. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another one.